Hello friends, good morning to everybody. There is lot of confusion among engineers that who can be called product design engineer. What is the difference between design engineer and product design engineer? Presently, the design engineers working at the companies, they are making 3D modeling. Maximum of them are doing like that particular job. Whether making drawings can be called design, it is the first step in design, right? Making drawings is the first step. As you have seen that in first year of engineering or for first 3 semester we concentrate on making drawings. Now if you want to be a product design engineer, then you must understand what is a product, mechanical product. What mechanical product have? It has got structure, right? If you say structure, then you must know out of which material this structure is to be constructed, what is well design, what are the processes going after manufacturing that particular structure. If there is a bore, drilling, tapping, any stress concentration, how it is to be reduced. And first and foremost thing, the application of formulas in structure design. Okay. The second comes the gearbox. If you say any product, then it must be having motor and gearbox. You must know gear design, gear calculations, right? Then third comes all modern designs, heavy designs are run by hydraulics. You must know hydraulic circuit plotting and entire hydraulic and pneumatic designs, circuit designs and component designs. Apart from this, you must have knowledge on other like heat treatment, fit and tolerances, bearings, standards and standard components, mechanics, machine elements, gear, casting, welding, machining, metal forming, limit gauges, FEA softwares, lube oils and greases. Okay. So this is the first knowledge required by. Now let us understand the role of product design engineer or product designer bosses. Let us go through some of the jobs available on LinkedIn. Here is a job from consumer goods manufacturer. Whatever washing machine you are using or whatever machines you are using at your home, that is a product, mechanical product, right? Now if you want to do some innovation in that product or you want to design that particular same product, then that is the work of product design engineer. So many mechanical machines we are using for our home appliance at our home, right? So for mechanical product design engineer, the jobs are very wide, in very wide field, very wide field. Engineers don't have knowledge, and that's why they can't see these jobs. They can't understand what is written in this particular job. Okay, because people are deep into simulation without clarity on fundamentals of design. They are deep into button pushing applications without understanding the formulas behind that button pushing applications. Right. So always concentrate more on theory and less on simulation. If you know the theory, simulation is a cakewalk. Simulation is a cakewalk. Understand that thing. Right. Now this, let us discuss this particular I-beam. If you see, the flange is so thick and wide and the wave is thin and the height is quite high, right? Quite more. 90% or 95% engineers say that this is a wrong design. But if you read the theory very closely, very minutely, very detailed for I-beam design, right? Actually, nobody has read this particular section theories. But if you are a very deep thinker, very deep knowledge on design, then you must have read the theory on I-beam design. This particular design I-beam is true. Okay. So if you want to gain such knowledge, if you want to take your career further, if you want to say be a trained product designer with multiple product design projects, right? Because everybody will ask you from where you got such confidence that you can design the entire product. Then you can say that, okay, I've gained experience through this Deepjyoti people. We have since 5 years working on multiple designs as consultant, as training, as manufacturing activity since last 20 years. So, and we are interacting with lot many industry people. So industry knows us. They knows that these people, whatever these people are saying is as per industry standard. And our principles are accepted, design principles are accepted through across industry. Okay. So if you are interested to take your career to further as an experienced design engineer, we are there to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.